Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making safety absolute. Remove props and unplug power. Now, lay out the board and wiring diagram so you can see ground, 5V, and signal pads clearly. Next, position the flight controller on a non-conductive surface and tin the pads. This makes soldering reliable and fast. Once done, route the main harness so wires reach without stress. Make sure to keep ground connections shortest. This first set of steps reduces mistakes and prepares you to attach power and peripherals cleanly. Next, you solder battery positive and negative to the correct pads, then insulate each joint with heat shrink. This prevents shorts. Once power is secure, wire UART lines. Remember TX goes to RX and RX to TX, so your receiver or OSD will talk to the controller. After that, hook ESC signal wires and any I2C sensors, making sure each connector follows the labeled diagram. Once chained, double-check polarity and maintain tidy wire routing to avoid interference and ease later troubleshooting. Now plug the controller into your computer and open the configurator. Pick the correct board and flash firmware if needed, because mismatches cause odd behavior. Then calibrate the accelerometer and set motor rotation directions. This ensures stable flight. Assign modes and map your transmitter channels so inputs match expected responses. Finally, test motors with props removed and watch for correct spin and telemetry. If something fails, check LED codes and logs first. They usually point to wiring, incorrect ball.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.